Cotton Water Purifier Filter Cartridge. Hello guys, this is a continuation of the other previous video where I made a product review about the second stage carbon filter. This water filter is actually the first stage. It is supposed to be the first product review, but the other one had arrived first before this one. Anyway, this product is called 10-inch 1 micrometer sediment PP Cotton Water Purifier Filter Cartridge Reverse Osmosis System. I don't have to explain every scientific detail about the composition of this product, which is most likely a boring topic. But what you simply need to know is that this filter is capable of filtering rust, sediments, eggs, algae, and many other unnecessary particles in the water. As you can see, the product is wrapped with thick plastic material, so I really need to use a scissor to open it out. I got 4 pieces of them, which is good for 2 years. As a first stage filter, they must be replaced every 6 to 8 months. I really like the part where they are contained inside a large zipper lock bag. I am actually very happy because I bought this product cheaply due to the 64% discount during the time that I made a purchase. I actually intend to buy just 2 pieces, but upon seeing the price of this particular product, it made me decide to buy 4 pieces. Overall, I can say that this is an excellent quality product, which I will definitely recommend to others. And before we end this video, shout out to Kwa Koli, the store whom I purchased this cotton water filter cartridge.